Alright, tell me what I'm looking at.
Well, as you can see, it's a 55 150. It's not a Bel Air, it's actually a 150. Started life as a 6-cylinder 3-speed on a tree, and currently has a 502 big block crate motor, 4L60 overdrive transmission, has a Ford 9-inch rear end, front disc brakes, rear drum brakes. It was originally a South Carolina car. The car was actually off the frame in 1997. It was a frame off, and it's just been well taken care of over the years. It's got air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, tilt wheel, all the goodies.
Beautiful.
It's got all the factory sheet metal on it. See inside the doors. Car's never been rotted out. It's got the factory floors and trunk pan in it.
Wow.
Yeah, of course, the trunk is finished like the rest of the interior. And that's about it. It's a cruiser. I drive the thing everywhere.
It's your daily?
No, it's not a daily. I wouldn't go that far. Probably put, I don't know, 3,000-4,000 miles on a year, I guess.
Oh, that's not much.